Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some peri-peri oven roast tilapia dinner. This is absolutely delicious and quick and easy. Let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of the ingredients that we will be using and they will be in the description box. Now here I've already washed my tilapia. It is washed and clean. So we're just gonna put some incisions on the sides. Now for the peri-peri sauce, I will leave the link in the description box how to make that sauce. All right, now if you want to omit the sauce, you can just add your regular seasoning and you can follow the rest of the instructions here. It's pretty simple and basic, but it's absolutely delicious. So here I'm seasoning the fish with some dry rub, or you can also season this fish to your likeness and taste. And inside of the fish we're going to add some lemon slices here, some ginger slices and garlic slices as well, and we are also going to add some cilantro. Then you are going to add the peri-peri sauce right over the top of the fish, or outside of the fish. Make sure to get all the cuts and everything. Then we're going to place that in a well-greased dish. I oil that pan with some olive oil. Then I'm adding some tomatoes to be roasted at the same time, some onions and some lemon slices. We're going to bake or roast for about 20 to 30 minutes in 350 degrees oven. And this is what it looks like. When it's done, remove all the lemons and the cilantro, and you can place that on another dish. I added some garlic, parsley, butter in a different pan here. You can do this for about 30 seconds. And then you're going to pour some of that mixture right over the fish as well. So what I did, guys, I went ahead and I boiled some potatoes. And I did add some of that the garlic butter sauce with the parsley and some heavy cream. And I'm going to mash these potatoes up. And we're gonna have this with the fish. Guys, this was absolutely amazing. It is so simple and easy. Dinner in like 40 minutes. All right, so I do hope you guys try this one. If y'all are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to support my channel, there's going to be a link to my Amazon storefront. You can click that link and purchase anything of your choice. So thank you and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.